Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you today on the landing page of Catalog Cleaning Services. Today in this video I'd like to tell you 4 things why it's worth to choose the company as a catalog cleaning service. So first thing, we'll be generating more customers. As everyone know, in the places where the people feel more comfortable, everyone does like to come back. As example, nice and clean restaurant, pub. You'd like to go where it's nice, where it's fine, where it's clean and comfortable place for you and your friends to have a good pint. So keep that in mind. Next thing, we will be generating money by example savings. Company, the right company will choose the right cleaning products, which I know from my experience are more durable, work better with grease and other dirt on sites, so are more efficient in work and maybe diluted in higher rate, so last for longer. The third thing will be less hassle, as the company, as we do work, we agreed for in the contract for the things that you'd like to have done, and we follow the things we agreed for, so you have no any troubles, or you have no hassle with looking forward or looking after us. We do it in a good way, in a good standard, and with the reports for you for your request. And the fourth thing will be the time which is very valuable for us, for you. We know how to do the cleaning services, and we know after our service you will have time for yourself to spend it in the best way for yourself. When we do the good job, you have your time to do your job or take a rest for yourself, which is very important as well. So this is 4 things I'd like to let you know. I'm looking forward for your inquiries to book free consultation with us on site to discuss your situation, your cleaning service, your cleaning needs. See you there. Bye.